morning, guys. Peepaw Family Tradition Hunting Club. Open in the morning, 5 o'clock. Corbin's up there in front of me. Got Bentley with me. There's Isla back there in the back. We're gonna get up here and see if we can find us some tracks, see if we can find some of these bucks that we've been running during training season. So we're gonna get on up here and try to find us a few tracks. Try to get y'all some footage and maybe get some kill shots today. So y'all stay tuned.
What's going on, YouTube? This is Cuz with Family Tradition Hunting Club. I got my riding group with me. Got my wife, got Dawson, got Fat Boy, and then we got old CJ man. Anyways, we found a few tracks this morning. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all, on this Thanksgiving morning. It's a cool morning this morning. Captain Jack's about to turn out the dogs on one daddy on Peepaw found, and we'll turn you back in when they get to me.
Alright guys, the moment has arrived. We're getting everybody set up. Thanksgiving 2019 about to get started. We got some good track this morning to start off. Getting everybody set up right now. We'll get back to you with a hunt in just a minute, guys. Come here, Angie. Angie and Smiley. Angie, Smile, come here. Come here, Smile. Smile, smile. Boy. Come on. Come on. This way, Smiley. Come here, Angie. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright, y'all be looking now. They going right back up the road. They going right back down to y'all down there. Y'all need to sit still and get looking. I see what he's doing. Come back and get on your set.
What be looking? Be looking, he's coming to here. Listen to that catfishing, big ol' man. Come on, girl. Go. Shut up. Come here. Get in there.
Come on back down, Ben. Get your gun out. Ease that door shut. Come here. Come here. Take it off safe. Shoot back that way, we'll let it cross. Oh, it's gonna cross in front of the truck, come on. Maybe. Yeah, it is. It's running down the edge of the ditch, I think. Keep watching. Get in front of the truck. There it is, this is a doe. It's a doe.
It's a nanny goat.
That was a nanny goat.
Alright.
We're not done.
We ain't gonna be done, honey. It's hunting season. This is business.
It's only 2 o'clock.
This is business.
That's right, alright.
Alright, let's go. Come on. Come on, Smile. No, I'm full. I eat when it's time to eat. Alright, Sprite hit on it a little bit. They going on in. Alright, they getting on it.
Gonna have to go to the north.
Somebody at this intersection.
I'm sitting here at the hill right here where they crossed at. The deer crossed right on this corner. I don't know if it was a buck or not. It walked across the road and I couldn't get my binoculars in up time.
Y'all get a look at it?
Couldn't get my binoculars up in time, Robert. I was coming up here to try to get here before it got here, and Damon walked across the road in front of him, and I stopped to grab my binoculars, and I couldn't get them up in time.
They're running parallel back to the west. They almost parallel with the road coming to me.
I can't deal with that one.
Oh, well, I'll hang out right here. Put them 2 of mine out there.
Give me that collar.
That's where the buck went. And when I found that track over there.
Tell them they got a whole nother box in there with them.
gonna be roaring.
It'll be rolling here in a few minutes.
Be looking ahead of the truck. I'll be looking this way. Baby. Come on. Right there. Doe. It's a doe. It looked like a doe. By the time I jump my truck back up, start blowing your horn. Tone, Mr. Robert, tone.
Don't say that. Don't say anything. Just shoot.
CJ, what you think about that?
You know I don't have no bullets in my gun. Sorry.
Listen, they might be coming back.
Tribe went across the road barking, didn't he?
Oh, he's coming back.
He went that way.
Get down that way, Dawson. He's coming back this way. Daddy is trying to cross this tram. Stay there. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come over here, baby. Come over on this side. That way you'll be able to shoot.
CJ.
He's good. Just big buck looking down there, babe. Listen, they came right to the edge in his head. I couldn't get a look at them. They big deers. They stopping in front of the door. They going a little bit and stopping. They ain't fall off the road, Daddy.
They're getting a little bit closer to me.
Be looking, Bentley.
Y'all see it?
No.
I seen him. I heard him right here off in this head right here where this 8-point came out that training season the other weekend, and I couldn't quite tell what they was. They big deer.
We couldn't tell.
Talking to him, son. Talking to him. Woo! Oh my God! Put Smiley up. He's tired. Smiley.
No.
He's in this water. There's some water right here. There's some water right here. That's the reason why he wants to come across, so he can go back that way.
Circles in there.
Oh my God.
Right.
There's nothing.
He's right here in this head, doing circles.
Just echoed that. Not that.
Stay there and man the radio.
Huh?
Stand there and man the radio. I'll get Lacey too. Get ready, Beacon. Get ready. Come here, Ben. Ben. Get right there on that side. Get ready.
from the truck. Walk down the side of the front, walk down that side. Here the deer come. Here they come, Ben. Get your gun up, get your gun up. That's a doe. Hey, hurry up. I got to blow the horn. It's a doe. Tell him it's a doe. Hurry, tell him it's a doe.
It's a dog.
Come here, Stride. Open the gate. No! Get in the trunk, Ben.